Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to upgrade Hoverboard in Subway Surfers City. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Subway City application into your device. And now once you are here guys, in order for you to upgrade your Hoverboard Surfer City, just simply go to the bottom left corner of the screen and you should be able to see here surfers. Now guys, once you are here on the surfers, you can just simply select any characters that you have. So for example, I'm gonna go for Miss Maya or Maia. And now from here, as you can see, we should be able to see board. So tap on board over here. So pretty much when you equip a specific board, as you can see over here, it will be applied to all characters. And now from here, in order for you to upgrade your board, of course, you can just simply tap on upgrade over here. And pretty much by upgrading it, you should be able to have your score increase the multiplier and pretty much have the special effects or the power-ups of this board much more better. And pretty much that's how to upgrade your board. You can just simply go to the servers and you can just simply go ahead and play the game with your upgraded board. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.